Namaste everybody. Welcome to Utsav Yoga. So let's practice Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. So let's start with the practice. Come on top of your mat. Now take a wide stance in between your legs and then lift your arms up, bend to the side, place your palm on the block or some height and then lift your back leg up. Maintain a nice outer rotation of your pelvis. Fix your heel, your toes, your whole feet firmly fixed on the ground. Maintain a nice straight line of your arms and breathing from your belly. Very nice. Take a few deep breaths here. Find a good balance. Relaxed neck. And then exhale slowly. Take your leg down. Take your arm up. Go back into down dog. And then relax in child's pose. So that was the practice of Ardha Chandrasana. The benefits of this pose is that it gives you stability in life, balance, focused. It makes us focus towards our goal. It strengthens our legs and tones the muscles of our arms. Thank you for practicing with us. Namaste.